Hi guys, happy Friday. You made it through the week. I first want to say I know that yesterday we got the news that we're not going to be going back to school physically this year, and I hope everybody's doing okay. I know that it really stinks to not be able to go back and um, see your friends, see teachers, have those in-class discussions, lunch with people. I know I miss eating lunch with Miss Costick, Miss Hanson, Miss Lynn, all the other seventh grade teachers, so I totally get it. Um, Meanwhile, we as your teachers are all working really hard to try to find ways to help you guys feel connected. Okay, so if there's anything we can do to help, please let me know, whether it's setting up virtual, I don't know, trivia games during Google Meets is an idea I had, but we can definitely try to plan some fun activities to stay connected with each other. All right, today's instructions are going to be pretty short. Um, Basically, first you're going to listen to the next 10 minutes of the crossover. It gets really, really good right around now and moving forward. Okay, so after you listen to the crossover, you don't have to do any activity about making an inference on it. We're just trying to move forward in the book so that we don't forget, and we'll keep reading it next week. Then what you're going to do after you watch this video is I want you to take another look at this character inference strategies menu. These are the three inference reading strategies that we've talked about over the last few weeks, and it's just a refresher. Okay, because today's activity is for you to actually fill out a Google form. And in the Google form, you are going to be reflecting on these reading strategies and if they've worked for you, what you think about them. Okay, so just to uh, don't do this, put your actual name. What hour am I in? I'm going to be in second period because shout out to Gigi Otto, her dance on Flipgrid. If you haven't went and looked at our TikTok Flipgrid, was amazing. Like, I can't even believe it. So, second period, shout out to Gigi. Um, Once you get to the next page, here's another reminder of these reading strategies, and then there are some questions for you. Okay, so that's how it works. That's your assignment. Again, actually put your first and last name, otherwise I won't know if I can count you as present for the day for having done the activity, even if you click turn in. Still do on Google Classroom click turn in because um, that otherwise your parents get a weekly email saying that you have missing work when in fact you might not. So really important that you actually do that. Okay, that is all for your Friday ELA assignment. As always, please be reading your independent reading book. Um, I posted on the stream, so when you first get into my Google Classroom page without going to the classwork tab, I posted a sign up sheet for book clubs. So, and you don't have to commit to anything. All it is if you would be interested in joining a book club, potentially you can put your name down. And then you can also put down any book suggestions. So let's say there's a book that you got for Christmas, or you have around your house, or you think you might want to read at the that you could get from the library, or maybe even buy off Amazon. Write that down. See, because what we're going to do is we're going to see if other classmates would be interested in reading that. Um, if you have a group of friends, I know some of you did this when we were actually physically in school, but if you're all like, oh, this book sounds really good, why don't we all read it? Then you guys have something to talk about, and I can help you set up Google Meets through Google Classroom and all that stuff to talk about books. And that's a really fun way to do your independent reading, in my opinion. Once again, I'm thinking of you guys. Um, I know this is completely, I mean, I can't imagine being in your shoes. right now, being 12 or 13 and having to do school from home and not getting to see your friends, I would be devastated. So hang in there. I'm here for you. Your parents, friends, teachers, we're all here from you, and we'll get through this together. I hope you have a good weekend. Wash your hands. Stay safe.